Missouri's most vulnerable victims could soon feel the impacts of deep state budget cuts. Agencies I spoke to say a reduction in funding could result to limited services at a time where the demand is not going down. Safe spaces like this are at risk.
Every child that crosses our door has experienced some kind of significant trauma.
Trauma that requires a certain response for safety and healing is work that the Child Protection Center does day in and day out.
Every service we provide here is free. I don't care who you are or who hits your door, and we will not change that.
Their agency, along with many other victim services groups across the state, stand to face a $25 million budget cut, something they say would be detrimental to not only victims, but the community as a whole.
So that represents about 700 trauma-focused therapy sessions. It may represent 200 family advocacy sessions, could represent 150 forensic interviews that we would not have the funding to give to the families that we serve.
The cuts would also be felt for domestic violence agencies like Newhouse.
What we're going to see is significant rise in costs in Medicaid, emergency room visits, law enforcement, correctional facilities, the foster program, unhoused services. We will pay for it. Missouri will pay for it one way or another.
That's why they are working to get $15 million of the budget reinstated. With funding set to expire October 1st, they are hoping to have a budget confirmed by May.
Missouri ranks in the top 10 deadliest states for women to be killed by their abusers. Missouri ranks 8th in the nation for the most violent state, and Kansas City is in the #1 seat for the volume of domestic violence calls that are received.
In Kansas City, Lanita Brooks, KSHB 41 News.